Welcome to my kitchen. Our recipe for today is Satay Chicken Skewers. We will be making satay sauce from scratch. The first step is to cut the chicken into pieces. Add a teaspoon of salt. And then 2 teaspoons of pepper. Next, 2 teaspoons of sugar. And then add 4 teaspoons of blended galangal and lemongrass. Now add 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Then add 5 teaspoons of milk. Now shake in some garlic powder. And then some turmeric powder. We will also add a pinch of baking soda. Finally, add a few teaspoons of olive oil. Now mix it well. We are going to let it marinate for 3 hours. The next step is to make peanut sauce. We will need milk, massaman paste, palm sugar, blended peanut, coconut milk, tamarind, red curry paste, salt. First, add milk. And then coconut milk. Next, add red curry paste. Followed by massaman paste. Now give it a stir. Next, add palm sugar. And then 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add 1 tablespoon of tamarind. Then add some more coconut milk. Keep mixing until it is smooth. Now we're gonna add blended peanut. And then mix it all in. 5 or 6 pieces of chicken to each skewer. And finally, add a little bit of coconut milk. Now it's time to cook. Add 1 layer of skewers to your air fryer. We are going to cook them at 160 degrees for 15 minutes. And they're done. This is a very popular entree in Thailand.